Welcome, in front of me is a REALME X3 SuperZoom, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now to get started, all you need to do really is pull down the notification panel and find the battery icon, which is right here. Now by default it looks like it's just going to be the normal power saving mode. As you can see, when you enable it, it turns down the max brightness to about like 70%. And also does additional things in the background to manage the power and how it also functions in terms of the connection to like Wi-Fi, mobile data and stuff like that. Also you can hold this option and this will take you to the settings of the battery, where you also have the option to use, I believe, the super power saving mode or something like that. Power saving mode. We have option to turn it on at a specific level if we want to, so you just check it and then select the percentage at which it should turn on automatically, which now that I moved it past below 35, it turned off because the battery is above 35. So as you can see, when I reach the percentage, it automatically turns it on. Let's disable this and let's see if I can find the power usage. So save power. Here we have optimization. It just allows you to optimize it. Now right now it looks like everything is optimized, but at times when you enter here, it will, for instance, give you some apps that might be using a little bit too much power than the phone would like, and will, for instance, give you one issue found or something like that. You can just tap on optimize and it deals with that app or whatever it's causing the drainage of the battery. And yeah, so it looks like also there is no super power saving mode, which is kind of a shame, but yeah. So as you can see, just to enable it, you can simply tap on the toggle right here and basically enter the saving mode and then tap on it again to leave it if you want to. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.